I can't. What is up? It's your boy, and you're bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got a fun one. Today, well, I actually don't have a fun one. I have a pretty sad one. We're gonna be talking about what years to avoid when buying a Toyota Tacoma. Now, the last video I made, I was talking about what years to buy, and we are in the prime of buying, but some people are going for used. And if you're going used, I have, well, some information that you may want to use while you're shopping. Bada boom, bada bing. That is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5, looking mighty snazzy if I don't say so myself. I was just on the Tacoma World Forum and I started to realize that the Tacoma wasn't all rainbow and sunshines. Like, this truck actually had a pretty bad past with a lot of recalls. Now, Toyota and rust, they go together. Toyota and recalls, they go together, but not as much as other companies. So when I saw the word recall, I had to dig a little bit deeper. So no more yapping, let's talk about it. There's three things. One of the three things, actually, you can see right there, that, not the building, this third brake light was actually leaking. I feel kind of bad because a subscriber, whoa, quicksand. I feel kind of bad because a subscriber reached out and was like, look, I'm in the market, I'm buying this 2018 SR5. What do you think? I said, go for it. I mean, it's a Tacoma. I didn't know that this problem was to come. So this third brake light, it's not properly sealed, and well, Toyota actually did a recall on this, but if yours was leaking and it wasn't recalled, they actually wouldn't fix it, which is kind of crazy. Oh, I'm locked out. I'm embarrassing. All right. Now, you may not think anything of it, but imagine randomly just driving down the parking lot and then all of a sudden you look back and it looks like someone peed up there. That is awful. I could not imagine being in the shoes of my subscriber, of anybody who received that recall, because that is just, well, that sucks. I'm so sorry for the subscriber. He ended up actually trading it in and getting a 2022, well, still to come, but yeah, crazy. Number two is a little bit more of a problem. Okay, that is an easy fix. You go ahead, you go take it to Toyota, and well, it gets resolved, and you don't have to worry about it any longer because, well, it's a simple fix. Whenever there's a problem, it kind of worries me, right? Because is this fix gonna be permanent or is it temporarily fixing it? Does that make sense? So with this, you don't wanna have a temporary fix. You wanna have a permanent fix. Actually, you don't wanna have problems at all. That's the differential. That thing right there. That is the rear differential. Now, don't quote me, but this number is bigger than 1, so that means it affects more than just one person. 200,000+ Tacomas were leaking from the rear differential, leaking oil from the rear differential. That is absolutely crazy, absolutely absurd. Why did it happen? I don't know. In the grand scheme of things, 220,000 isn't that much. I mean, I almost have just as many subscribers. It's crazy to think that Toyota was making a truck for so long, multiple trucks, and then they have something like that, some type of leak. The thing that gets me about that is that can be more problematic. If you have a differential without oil that's just sitting there, that's just back there binding metal on metal, well then that could lead to permanent damage. And I don't know if the recall covered the whole axle, or they just put more oil in, or they just sealed it up and called it a day. That doesn't seem fun. It seemed fairly simple and fairly quick. It seems like they got on the ball right on time. So kudos to you, Toyota, but still something to look out for. If you are buying something in between 2016 to 2019, make sure to look into that, because that would not be fun. And last but not least, this one hurts my feelings because I always try to cover up for it. I always try to give it the benefit of the doubt. The transmission. The transmission, you know it. 2016 to 2018. Now, I'm not talking about simply gear hunting. No. There was actually more problems than gear hunting. Like, that was the least of some people's worries. So let's step inside. Let me show you guys what I'm actually talking about. Also, there's police right there. I'm probably gonna get arrested like right now. If they take a left, it's been nice knowing you guys. I mean, I don't do anything to get arrested. I've been kicked out of too many parking lots. I have anxiety. When the Tacoma first came out, it was having more than gear hunting issues, as I just stated outside. Thank you for being repetitive. It was delayed. It would go from park to drive, or drive to reverse, and it would be super delayed. So it wouldn't be like an automatic, like, you're ready to go. Like, it would be like, okay, now you're parked. I don't understand how or why or how that even happened. Another thing, it was having some pretty bad gear changes. Like, from first to second, it was harsh. It was really bad. And well, not like the Tacoma smooth or anything, right? Like, first to second gear, you feel it, like you rock, right? But imagine it like 5 times worse. So we're just gonna go on throttle. Right there, shifts. You feel a little bit of a jerk. But prior to this, it was like a shake. It was like you were kind of bumping, grinding gears, and not in a good way. I mean, I don't think there's a good way of doing that. So I'm not gonna turn the truck off because, well, I'm finished recording for the day. I'm hoping my next video, I don't know why I showed you that Mercedes. I hope for my next video, it's gonna be a little bit of a driving video. We're gonna be doing some pulls. We're gonna be doing some pulls in the Tacoma because, well, passing power is more important to me than get up and go, if that makes any sense. Now, I stopped racing this Tacoma. I've retired. I'm no longer racing Camaros, Challengers, Corollas. You know, they're all in the same bracket off the line anymore. I'm strictly into high-end, top-end racing against Lamborghinis, Ferraris. You get the whole deal. Obviously, I'm kidding. When I drive to the beach, that's usually where I want that power. Once I'm on the highway, if I need to get over, if I need to change lanes, you know what I'm talking about. So without further ado, I hope that's my next video. If not, well, I'm sorry to you and myself. But without further ado, let me know if you guys knew about all 3 of these issues. You may even know about something that I didn't know about. Please leave it down below because you don't help me out. You help someone else in the community. Someone's always looking for a Tacoma and they may have their eye on a 2016 that they absolutely love. And well, we're here to shatter their dreams in the best way possible, in the most friendly way. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace. I'm always so scared whenever I do this that the car's gonna be locked.